Good evening, everyone. I am Lemar Agbunag, and I'm so happy that you're here. I have something to share. Sometimes I forget how powerful my voice can be. I always shy myself and not talk about what I feel or experience. But I learned how to overcome this. Our voice is what makes people stop to listen, to judge, and to believe. People tend to believe what they hear even without evidence. But few need evidence to believe. The human voice is an instrument, probably the most powerful sound in the world. Our voice is a tool. We can use it to change the world, or we can use it to make the world more evil. Our voice doesn't just talk about how we sound or how we speak, but it compasses our character and voice because what we do says so much about our values as a person. Action speaks louder than words, and words have power. And whatever you say, it can always bring out the best or the worst in people. Because the voice is a double edged sword. The human voice can change the meaning behind anything. So, your voice, uh, so use your voice to empower people, not to belittle them. Always remember, in anything that you do, your voice has the power to change negative to positive or vice versa. And that's all. Thank you.